guys, happy Planner Wednesday. And this spread I'm really excited about. It is from March the 19th through the 25th. And let me show you the paper that I found. And then when I found it, you can probably guess what I'm going to do. I love it. It reminds me of the old Batman and Robin TV series. So I made my own stickers based on that. And I'm so excited. I think this is going to be really fun. And I love the Joker. And I thought this washi went with it very nice. And then I'm just going to either choose one of these Sharpies or a permanent marker that I got at Dollar Tree to write with. So let me go ahead and take my paper out of my planner. I'm so glad everyone loved Footsteps in the Fog. Okay, let's go ahead and cut our paper. I've decided I want this to be the dominant paper in this spread. But I love the old Batman and Robin. It's so corny. It's hilarious. And sometimes on Sci-Fi Saturday night on MeTV, my husband and I will watch Svengoolie if it's nothing totally cheesy. And then sometimes we'll watch Batman and Robin and then Star Trek. And we just have fun. Okay, let's lay our paper out. And what I did when I cut this one, I just looked up Batman fight words or bat fight words, and I just wrote them on there with my little Sharpie markers, and I think that added so much to it. I love it. And I'm just going to lay out the rest of these. I think it's going to be adorable. But I got so excited when I saw this. Oh, I think that's going to be really cute. Okay, so let's put our paper down. And I went ahead and wrote those words because I knew it would go through the paper. Oh, I think that's going to be adorable. Oh, just super, super cute. Okay, let's put down our washi. And I'm hoping that this will tie in nicely, and I really think that it will. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's put down our stickers. And here I just made one of Batman where he's like, pow. I just think that is the cutest thing ever. It's so funny. And then here we have Batman and Robin right here. I'll put them up here. Kind of like right there. And dear Alfred, where would we be without Alfred? I think I'll put Alfred maybe in the center here, or as close to the center, and I got him off. Oh dear. Okay, let's see. And then here they are in their car, driving to something that they've been called out to do. Okay, and then here is Batgirl coming in to help. And then here's the Joker. I love him. Okay. And then over here we have Batman and Robin taking a call. And then I always like to see who was climbing up the windows. I thought that was always so funny. And this has Sammy Davis Jr. in it. I mean, they had a lot of really big stars that would appear. And then this one just says, POW. And I think I'll put that one right here. And then here's the crew, the Riddler, the Penguin and the Joker. And then we have Catwoman in this one. Then finally the Joker. Okay. All right, I'll just write a few things down. All right, now we'll put it back in my planner and we'll take a look at it. But I think it is adorable. Oh my goodness. And I thinned out my planner. I went ahead and took out last year's spreads, and I'm going to put them somewhere else to keep them because I love them. But I think that is adorable. I wish I hadn't got Alfred crooked, but when these stickers go down, they stick. So I really love the paper, and I love adding these words. I think it added to it so much. And I really do love the washi and everything in the stickers. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.